What's up, YouTube? We're back again with another video, and today we're on our way to New Era to pick up the new engine for the Z71. So I'll put you guys back on as soon as we get there. Alright, so we're here picking up the engine. It's missing a couple of parts, but we're gonna get it off the other block. We got it all strapped up. Now we're ready to head back home, start putting it together. We just got back. Now we're gonna unload the motor, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit about what's gonna happen after this. We're gonna have to get it on here, and I think we're just gonna try to carry it. So last night we were able to pull the engine into the garage. The battery died, so we couldn't finish recording. But all we did is we were able to pick it up and put on the 4-wheel dolly. All covered up, but it was gonna start raining, so we just wanted to get it over with. That's why we have a big mess in here right now. We just threw everything in here, but we have to start organizing so that we could open up this engine. We'll uncover it and make a list of everything we need, gaskets and everything that needs to be replaced while the engine is out. And once everything comes in, we'll go ahead and pull the truck into the driveway and start tearing it down. We also want to deep clean the engine bay because I know there's a lot of mud in there. And New Era pulled this engine from a truck that's gonna get a fully built engine, so the owner just wanted it out of the way, and he gave us a good deal, so we had to hop on it. The plans were to drop in a 6.2, but they're pretty expensive right now, and we didn't want to waste any time looking for a good deal. So we want the truck up and running as soon as possible, because the truck has been sitting for about a month or two, so we had to hop on this. It's a long block. It's missing the oil pan, it's missing the valve covers, the rear main seal cover, pretty much every cover and a lot of seals. So we're gonna have to swap things over from the old engine, and we have to order a starter because, like I showed you guys in the other video, the starter broke. The truck was running really good. We had just tuned it. If you guys seen the previous videos, we had taken it to New Era and it was running really good, but the driver decided to make it a submarine. He drove through really deep water and he deleted a piston. So hopefully this engine lasts a little longer. It's just a 5.3, nothing special. At the moment we're looking for some steelies because the truck is sitting on 37s, so I don't think the engine hoist would be able to lift the engine out of the truck and also drop the engine in there. So we're gonna have to put it on some steelies in order to take out the engine. This engine is actually from a low mile truck as well. It was like in the low 30s, I think, similar to the Z. I'm not sure if we're gonna make a detailed video of removing the engine on the white truck, just because it would take forever to record a bunch of clips, a bunch of editing. But if it's something that you guys are interested in, make sure to let us know so that we could get to it. Again, I think we're gonna get to working on this within the next couple of weeks. So if it's something that you're interested in, just let us know. We'll try our best to do, the detailed stuff. If not, we're just gonna make a big time-lapse video of pulling the engine and dropping this engine in. Maybe we'll go ahead and show you guys when we swap things over. It needs a pickup tube, the oil pan, and all that. So that'll be a little easier to record. But on the truck, well, of course, we have to disconnect a bunch of stuff and remove the radiator hoses and all that. But, it'll take a while to record all that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to check us out on Instagram at Yonke_OXC Films. I'll leave that in the description down below. And we'll catch you on the next one.